Gunshot wound entry, it was a contact wound, meaning that the gun was on the skin. There was what made me thought so. There was a hole which is caused by the bullet. There was a soot. There was areas of burning and what is called muzzle imprint. Of course, there were stories of whether she was shot or she shot herself. We will be able to establish this once we've done other investigation which we are doing. We've taken swabs from the hand to find out whether there's any gunshot residues, which will be able to tell us that. But in summary, what killed her was a single gunshot wound to the head. Yes.
Question?
Okay.
So you're fine?
That she saw she was somewhere, then brought
from what I got from the investigating officers who are the scene looked like the incident occurred at the scene. From what I got from the investigating officers who are there, because me, I've not gone to the scene, but that's what I got from the investigating officers. So it looked like probably she died at the scene. Yes.
And is she the same Caroline Kangogo or someone else? Because I want you to clear the air.
Yeah, from what I've been told and from the relatives who've identified her, she's Caroline Kangogo, yes. Yeah.
So you cannot confirm or deny that she committed suicide?
You know, my job as a pathologist is to establish cause of death. Manner of death, there are so many things which are supposed to be done to establish, and that's why we've taken sample to the lab to confirm what is called manner of death. There are three main manners of death: either suicide, accident, or natural. So manner of death we are going to establish once we see the lab results. Yes.
And sir, for 3 days now you've not attended for this. Maybe what are the causes for your failure to attend it at the right time?
I was told late. Yes.
Did the body have any other injuries?
No, there was none. There was none. There was only the gunshot injury.
Okay.
Yes.
Which tissues were damaged in the head?
As I said, the bullet went through the spine to the brain and the skull. Yes. Sawa sawa. Okay.
Thank you, Doctor.
Government Chief Pathologist Johansen Oduor addressing members of the media, saying that Caroline Kangogo indeed died of a gunshot wound, and the bullet went through the brain and skull.